Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter called HTML. Okay. I think in previous classes you have already learned what is HTML, although we are starting from the basics. So the topic we are going to learn is HTML or hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So why do we need to learn this language? This is a language of web. If we want to create any kind of web applications, maybe it's a website, maybe it is any another kind of web application, or simply it is a one-page portfolio site. Everything is being created using HTML. We are not talking about apps. We are talking about web-based applications, web applications or websites. Okay, so those are made out of HTML. This is a markup language. HTML is not a programming language. Now, what is the markup? We shall understand each and every term in the practical example. To do coding in HTML, we have to open this software called Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Let's open it. Now it is not HTML, this is a Python file. Let's click on this button. This is new files button, and there you have to specify the title. x5.html. I'm giving the heading. Let's create the file over here. Index. Let's have index5.html. So this is our HTML5. Okay. Now I have created this file with the extension of .html. Whenever we are creating a file with the .html extension, that means that is a HTML file. What is the use of this? We can create web applications using it. Let's know how we can create it. For that, let's first create the first boilerplate template. So this one is the basic structure of HTML. Whenever we are creating this, we are actually creating a web page. So this is my web page. To show that this is my web page, let's write my name here. Pratim Ghosh. I have written here my name. Okay. Now I shall click on this go live option. At the moment I am clicking on this go live option, you can see here my web page is being opened, and here you can see my name is also written Pratim Ghosh. So this is my website, which is completely blank. I understand why it is blank, and as I haven't written anything. But one thing, I am telling that I haven't written anything, but you can see so many things are written here. So where are those things? Those things are gone because those are markups. Markups are not shown in the computer screen or not shown in the website. Those are some hints to the web browser that okay, if something I am writing in title, it should be there at the top. It is the title. Something I am writing here in h1 tag. So this is the heading. Let's save it and go to the web page. See, this is the heading. So only by adding some tags or some markups, we can tell the computer that okay, this thing is going to be displayed on the computer screen like this way or like that way. Okay, that is the use of markups, or that is the use of your HTML. Each and everything is created out of this only. Let's if suppose I have this, okay, this page is also created using HTML. Let's go to inspect click on inspect, you see lots of HTML codes are there. Okay, so you can see all of those over here. Let's move on to our code, this one. So let's try to copy these things for 6 times. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So here the things you can see, I have written using those angular brackets. Those are known as tags. In HTML, all of those tags are having separate meanings, and never you will be able to see those tags coming directly on your computer screen while you are opening your website. Okay, so those tags will be converted into some other meanings, and it will show its content in separate ways in your computer, in your browser screen rather say. So I have here 6 h1 tags. Let's change them. H2. Next one should be H3. Next one should be H4. Next one should be H5. The next one should be H6. I have written up to H6, 6 heading tags. Let's see what will be different. The content is totally same. Let's see what is the difference in the computer. Let's close the screen. Sorry, I think mistakenly I have. Let's open the browser and let's go to Pratim Ghosh. See, the content was totally same, but as I have given there different H tags, it has given 6 different kinds of headings. So H1 is responsible for the biggest heading, H2 is responsible for the smaller heading, H3 is for smaller heading than H2, it is smaller than H3, it is smaller than H4, and it is smaller than H5. So as we are progressing in H tags, the heading is becoming smaller and smaller with time. So there are 6 H tags, those are responsible for heading. So students, please don't forget to mark your attendance in the comment section. Write your comment, and with the comment you write down how many heading tags are there in HTML. Okay, this is your question. With your name, write the answer in the comment box of your YouTube. Now, after H1 tag, after heading tag, one more tag we shall learn today. That tag is P tag or paragraph tag. P tag is known as paragraph tag. So whenever we want to write some paragraphs, we have to use this P tag repeatedly. Okay, so now I want to write my name, so don't write something. Let's use some dummy text, as we know we are very lazy. Lorem 20 I am writing over here. So 20 words, randomly 20 words are generating over here, and those are being shown here. See, so this is a paragraph. So in paragraph, what is the use of paragraph? Suppose you want to write a 5 lines paragraph or 6 line paragraph, then you will use it. And if you will just move it, if you will use another paragraph, what will happen? No matter how much space is available at the end of the paragraph, it will start from a new line. Let's copy this line, Control C, let's paste it here. So I have written 2 paragraphs. You can see over here, there was space available, empty space available, although it has started from the next line, because it is showing you 2 different paragraphs. So the work of paragraph is to give you gap between paragraphs. Okay, this is the work of P tag. So today we have learned 2 tags. One is H1 tag, another one is P tag, and the basic structure of HTML. So the first of all, we have to write the entire body, so entire code into HTML tags. Okay, Inside the HTML there will be one child, two childs. One will be head and another one will be body. This first one is known as the opening tag and the second one is known as the closing tag. All the tags which are having opening tag, see, they are having closing tags, but there are certain tags which are not having closing tags. Those are known as empty tags. Now this H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, those are known as the children of body. So this is the hierarchy, this is the structure. So if I just pause your video over here and take a screenshot of this video so that you can write down the code in your copy. Okay, and one more thing I want to mention, that please prepare the basic structure of HTML. In the next class we shall take you to the computer lab and we shall be doing it practically. So don't forget to practice this code, otherwise you will not learn anything. Okay, thank you class, this is it for today.